Hi, welcome to back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to download a screen recorder for recording the screen. First, you can just go to the Google Chrome. Then you can search for OBS Studio download. Then from here you can download OBS Studio. You can there is three. It is available in three versions for Windows, Mac OS, and for Ubuntu. By clicking on Windows, it will just start downloading the OBS Studio. Since I've already installed, I won't be installing it again. So I will show you how it looks after installing. This is the OBS Studio, and for like recording your screen, you just need to add a source over here. Then click display capture, and okay, this will capture the entire screen and you can click enter. I already have added the capture, so I will be deleting it. Yeah, I have two captures. Then this is the audio. You don't need to mess with the audio. If you want to add this the camera icon, then you can just add up the video source, video capture device, and okay, and it will automatically add the device. Since I've already added the camera, the capturing device, like this is the device you can see. It is capturing my live image. And for starting the recording, you can just click on start recording, and to stop again, you can click on stop recording. It will do all the recording. Yeah, and that's how you can do the recording using OBS Studio. Over and out.